Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe with these are cookies with some caramel filling. This is a super easy recipe, and if you enjoy it, subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need 180 grams of soft butter. Then add some sugar, specifically 180 grams, and mix it. Then add 10 grams of vanilla sugar. Then add 3 eggs. After, you can add 200 grams of flour, and you can add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Then you can add some cornmeal, and specifically 300 grams, and mix it. It has to have this consistency. After, you have to put it into some plastic and leave it for about 2 or 1 hours in your fridge. When it's all done, take it out of the plastic and you can roll it out. Then you can make some circles for the cookies. This will be the form. After, you have to take each and one of them and put it into the pan. And on the bottom, I'm using a baking paper. All of that you can put into your oven with temperature for 180 Celsius for about 10 minutes. Then let it sit down. You can use some plastic bag and some caramel to pipe the filling in. Then close them, and you can roll it in some dried coconut. And this is the result. If you did enjoy this recipe, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.